Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday, my personal favorite day of the week, because I get to share with you all of my fun finds from the past week, because you guys know how much I love to go thrifting, and it is so much fun to be able to make these videos and share with you guys what I found. So this week I found some really good things, a mixture of some vintage items and some other items that will look really nice in my decor and be useful around the house. So let's go ahead and jump into this week's haul. Alright, so the very first thing that I picked up this week was a little creamer in this beautiful yellow shade. And I thought this would be perfect to add a little pop of color into my kitchen. I absolutely love the yellow. I'm adding yellow and green into my kitchen this year for my spring months. And I thought this would be perfect. It doesn't have any markings on the bottom, so I don't know who made it. But it kind of has that like Fiesta wear kind of look to it. So I just thought it was super cute. It was $2.24. So I thought that would be a good addition to my kitchen. So the next thing I picked up was a little goodie bag filled with wooden spoons. There was 3 wooden spoons in it. It cost me $1.49. And I thought I would pick them up because I like to add like wooden utensils as display in my kitchen. So I thought these would be perfect for that. So a nice little something to have. I have a few other ones already displayed here in the kitchen, and a couple more is always a good thing. So the next 2 items match, and I'm going to count them as one because they are basically the same thing. They are some little tea lights or candle holders, and I just thought they were super duper adorable and very like farmhouse looking in the fact that they've got this little wire handle on them, and I just love them. A little bit larger than a tea light. You could probably get a votive in there if you wanted, but I will most likely use them for tea lights, and they ended up only being $1.49 for me, and I just think they are so adorable. I love adding candlelight, you guys know that, and like anything that holds a tea light, I'm just all about that lately. So I'm loving these, and I love that they've got that, you know, kind of rustic-y farmhouse cottage vibe to them, and I think they will be fun. So that you can hang them, or I can just put them on a shelf somewhere or a table. I think they'll be so nice to have those in my collection of candle holders. So those 2 were a great find. And speaking of candle holders, I did find 2 goodie bags filled with tea lights. I originally picked up 2 of them, and I have since brought one of the bags into my bedroom because I like to burn a tea light at night when I go to bed for a little candlelight. And these were $2.24. So like I said, I have 2 bags of these. Thought that was a pretty good price for probably about 20 or so. Not really sure. I didn't really count them, but yeah, I guess that. So that's a good price and a good way to pick up tea lights if you're at all interested in them. I see them at the thrift store all the time. Alright, so the next 3 items are my vintage finds for the week. I'm so excited about them. The first one is a set of pillowcases for $1.12, and there's actually 2 of them, and look at this beautiful, very festive, sunshiny spring summer pattern. I just love it so much. I think that is so much fun. Love it. I love bright and cheerful colors for the spring and summer, and I think these are just perfect. I love the yellow and the green and that little pop of orange. I don't know what it is, but lately I have been liking orange. I used to just not like orange at all, but lately, in the right settings, I've been really liking it. So I was super excited about this. You guys know I have a vintage, pillowcase collection going on. I have quite a few, and I love to use them. I think they're so much fun. So I was happy to find 2 more to add to my collection. Alright, so this next item I'm super thrilled about. I look through the purse section all the time in hopes of finding a vintage purse, and I think I might have found one. I am not an expert on dating purses at all, but to me it looks vintage, so I'm going to say it's vintage. I picked it up for $2.99, and it's in a lovely shade of white, you guys. Look at this. It is so pretty. It's got some gold accents on the top, and a nice little clasp, and the inside is nicely looking really good still. It doesn't have a tag inside at all, so like I said, I really have no idea if it's old or not, but I think it is totally awesome. It has got a little scuff marks here and there on it, but I think it's amazing, and I'm super excited to have found it. So I love this little guy so much. I actually feel like I want to start using this. I mean, it's big enough to put my wallet and my cell phone in. I mean, it'd be so cute. So anyways, we shall see, we shall see. I'm super excited to have found it though. Alright, so this next item I have to share with you is so cool. It is a lamp. It was $4.99 and I am obsessed with it. It's got a very Art Deco look. Looks like this. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? See if I can give you a better view here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this so much. I'm probably going to see if I can't have my husband rewire this for me. He has offered to do it for another lamp that I have bought a while back. And when I do, I'm going to see if I can't get the rust off of this piece. The top piece is more rusted, but the bottom I like because it's got like that nice little, you know, antiqued brass kind of look to it. So we shall see if we can do that. Otherwise, I really don't care. I think it is super cool. And I love it so very much. I think it is the coolest thing ever. Alright, friends. Alright, so I have one more thing to share with you guys. And that is a cute little basket. It was $2.99. And I just love it. I think it is so cute. It looks like this. It reminds me very much of like a bicycle basket. I like the fact that it's got this little handle on the back so I can hang it on a hook. I'm thinking, you know, like maybe in my kitchen or something like that, or maybe my bedroom. But it's, you know, got the nice flat bottom. So, of course, you can put it on a table or a shelf or something like that as well. But I really like the open weave of it so that you can see the stuff inside of it. I think baskets like this are really fun to put like books in and clocks and that sort of thing so you can still kind of see inside the basket, but at the same time you have it contained inside of a basket. So I think these are fun. These are kind of like the newest little phase that I'm going through with baskets right now. I like the really big open weaved kind of, I guess it's not a weave, I don't know what it's called, but anyways, you know, the open look on the side of the basket. So, and it's like the perfect color wicker for me also. It's got that, I don't know, honey wicker, I guess is what I would call it. I know that's not the right term, but I don't know. It's like this tone of wicker is really my favorite. So I love it. It's not too dark, it's not too light, and I think it's just perfect. So loving this basket. It's amazing. I was never a basket person, but then I started hanging around with Jamie from Border Bananas, and she's a basket person. So then I'm like, hey, maybe I should add a couple baskets here and there, and then all of a sudden I'm now a basket person. Baskets everywhere. So a very nice little find to have this one. So, and have a hanging option, which is nice too. So that was a great steal for $3. I thought that was great. So, all right, my friends, that is what I picked up this week at the thrift store. I feel like this was a great week. A great little mixture of vintage items and useful items and items that could look vintage. Do you know what I mean? Like those candle holders. I think those will look really nice in my decor for that like, cottage farmhouse kind of look that I have going on here in my home. So I'm super excited about that. So I would love to know down in the comments which was your favorite item that I found this week. Or if you guys went out thrifting in your neck of the woods, I would love for you to let me know what you found. So leave me a comment down below. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you'll be notified of any of my new videos. I do a thrifting haul video just like this every single Thursday, as well as post on Sundays and Tuesdays, and those are more geared towards decorating and home life here around my house. So I would love for you to join me. And I hope that I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Until then, happy thrifting and have yourself a fabulous day. Bye now.